Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today I'm going to share you very important and simple tips for your own food delivery application to make it stand out. So if you are a restaurant owner or someone who wants to come in this space, then this video is for you. So let's get started. So, before you even start building your application, it is very crucial and important to understand your market first. So here, you have to do a little bit of research, but did you know that food delivery applications are really growing very fast? And to make your application successful, you need to understand your customers, your users first. Ask some questions to yourself first, that who might be my customers? What might be their options, or what might they want the most? Fast deliveries, easy to use application, or something more from your own application. Doing a little bit of research can make your application a very successful one, and you can build an application which people will actually love using. Now let's talk about what your application actually needs to be great in the whole market. First is easy navigation. This means your users can easily roam around your application very easily. Imagine someone wanting to order their favorite food. So they must be able to do it very easily without any confusion or getting lost anywhere. So here you can use easy and simple menus and clear buttons so that everyone can use your application very easily. Second is order tracking. So people love to know where their food is and when it's coming. So adding a feature which will show all the order details of your users, like when your food is being prepared, when it's picked up, and when it's on the way, makes your users feel more informed and less anxious. This also increases the trust of your customers on your application. Third is multiple payment options. Different users prefer different ways to pay. Some might want to use their credit card, some might use their digital wallets like GPay, or some still choose cash on delivery. So here, by adding more options in your payment options, you are making your application more easier and better for everyone to use. And lastly, push notifications. So these are the reminders or updates that pops up on your user's mobile phone. So here you can use them in different ways, like you can send them festive offers or some different deals or discounts, or you can also use them to tell your users when their order is ready. But keep in mind that you don't want to send too many, because you want your customers to keep interested, not to get them annoyed. So these were the basic features which are very important for your application to keep your users interested. And now adding one more tip, no one likes slow applications, right? So make sure that your application loads quickly and works well even with the high traffic. And don't forget about the security. People need to trust that their users' information and their money are safely and secure. So here you can use features like encryption and two-factor authentication to keep your users' data secure. And lastly, customer support. So good customer support can make a huge difference. Add chat options or help section where your users can get help if they need. Also make it easy for them to share their feedback or rate their experience. This will help you improve your application in the way your users really want. So these were the important and useful tips for your own food delivery application. And if you want to know more features, know more tips, then you can call us directly. Here in our company, we have helped our countless clients to turn their dream application to reality, and now they are generating a huge amount of revenue. Because here in our company, we are going to tell you huge amount of features and tips where you can increase your revenue and you can make your application really stand out in the whole market. So if you seriously want to build a successful food delivery application, feel free to contact us. Our contact number is given in the description box. That's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can also visit our website, which is also linked in the description. Thank you.